I'm Ron Perdue with West Roofing Systems. I'm a technical sales rep. Basically, my job is sales. So I come in every day, go through the routine of contacting customers, getting an idea of what they need and working proposals up and helping any way I can in the company. It's the best part of the sales is meeting them. Everybody has a different story, and it's good to learn from those people. It's almost like you make a friend before you as you're there on a job site. Well, I've been doing this since I was 18 years old, so every part of it I enjoy. I started in the field as a laborer, and it worked up to sales. So everything around what I do is roofing. That's all I've ever did. So I enjoy it immensely. I have, 5 kids total. I have 3 older boys, oldest being 27 down to 22. Played football, did all the sports programs you can do, coached baseball with them, had a great time with that. Then I have a second family now with 2 stepkids. That same thing. Now I have a stepson, 16 years old, does wrestling, stepdaughter going into high school this year. That cheerleading, first daughter ever to have, so different experience all the way around. So boys are great, still trying to figure out girls. We do music festivals together, a lot of sports programs. So that's basically consumes, as any parent knows, it's, you spend 5 days of your week doing things with your kids. I like music concerts, riding my Harley. It's a 2016 electric line. That's my 3rd bike now, just getting outside and enjoying the weather.